had a customer call because their air conditioning system wasn't working. Go ahead and check out the clip, and don't forget to like and follow. They did say that the blower was not running, so I ended up walking over here to the condenser, and it's all frozen up. See the ice? The line right there too has ice on it. So we're gonna go inside the house, check out, see why it's not, the blower's not running. And look at this. Motor is on, but it's going super slow. All right, new motor's in. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Let's see what happens. This is the old motor right here. Look at that. Look on the inside. Got all burnt up.